G'day, I'm Scott Gibbons, and this is exciting. Behind me is the new Nova Bravo. Now, the Nova Bravo is a whole range of vans, all different sizes, from 13'6" all the way through to 23'6", and they have amazing features. And if you want to, you can get the touring van, or you can option up to the Z Series pack. And the Z Series pack is a semi-off-road, which means you can go onto any gazetted road in Australia. That's wonderful because they're an Australian company. They're a family company. They manufacture right here and they look after their customers. How well do they look after them? They've just won Caravan Manufacturer of the Year for the third time. They are the most awarded caravan manufacturer in Australia. Their warranty is outstanding. Their salespeople are outstanding. Paravans are amazingly brilliant, and that's where you're going to get yours from. But I'm going to show you a 20'6". Now, the features in all of them are basically the same, just depending upon size. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. Come on, I'll show it to you. Now, the Z Series pack, it's so good. It comes with the Alco Enduro Cross independent suspension, a DO35 coupling, the toolbox with generator slide, a 2-inch razor, 450mm A-frame extension. It is just so good, and there's even more that comes with it. By golly, it's hot out there, but it's lovely and cool in here. Why? Because you've got the Nova Pro sandwich panel. It's the aluminium on the outside, fully insulated on the inside, and in here, it's wonderful. And then the other thing we've got is a one-piece roof. Now, having a one-piece roof, that's something that's so important. You've got a one-piece roof. Now, every Bravo comes with incredible features. This comes with sway control, reverse camera already, and on the outside is a hot and cold shower. Now, you've got your hot and cold shower on the inside too. We'll show you that later, but there's a hot and cold shower on the outside. So if you're coming back from the beach, coming back from fishing, the kids need a bit of a wash down, you need a bit of a wash down, your feet have got all sand over them, you don't have to wring it inside your Nova van, hose it off outside, hot and cold water. Oh, it's comfy. Now, when you have your friends over, this is a lovely big club lounge in this particular one. And what you've got is an adjustable table. So the table lets you slide it each which way that you want. That's good. When you're sitting here, if it's a rainy day, this will fold down. You can put a cushion on top. You've got a 28-inch smart TV, and you can lay here, be raining outside, and you can watch your telly, your movie, whatever you want to do. Comfort is what it's all about, because you've got all the storage up here. Now, see, there's no handles. There's little hidden latches here, so that's good. So this is just a fantastic lounge here. And you've also got a Wi-Fi booster. Don't forget that. You've got a Wi-Fi booster built in. Entertaining when you're traveling. That's one of the things you're going to be doing. You're always going to have drinks with somebody else that you meet. This is where it gets really good. This is a 208-litre fridge freezer. 208 litres. Microwaves up here, so it's nice and easy to get to. Just super simple. Reach in and work it. Now here, this is great. You've got this fabulous pantry, and see this bigger, wider shelf? That's for your bigger boxes that you need to put in, and there's another one down here as well. That's wonderful. Here is where it gets really exciting, because you love the way that the fabric of this is fitted over here as well. So it just looks like one piece. And when it's closed, you've got this extra bench preparation space. Really thoughtful. In here, you've got 3 gas, 1 electric. You've got a griller. Everyone loves a toasted sandwich. There's your griller. It's already built in. And an oven. You're going to have a birthday on the road, I would reckon. You've got an oven. You could create your own cake, create your own baked dinners, do all the things that you want to do. This is holidays on wheels. Pot drawers and pot space, that's one of the things that people are always looking for. You want somewhere to put your eco pot. Look in here. Massive. Over here, drawers galore, and then you've got PowerPoints. One of the things that a lot of people don't consider is the outlook. You've got window here, which is great height, great depth, and window over the other side. So you've got terrific natural light. Plus you've got ventilation galore, and you've got air conditioning and all of those things. So you're going to have all the comforts. Now, included in the Z Series pack is the black sink, the black tap, the ensuite accessories, and outside fittings. Now, when you're on the road, one of the things that you really treasure every day is a comfy bathroom, and this is a comfy bathroom because you've got a terrific toilet. There is also a washing machine already plumbed and built in for you. The vanity is something you'll really enjoy. Then there's 3 drawers, lots of storage for towels, lots more storage in the other cupboards, and the shower, oh my golly, it's just terrific. You know, you're on the road, you're having a great time, but the other thing you want to have is a great sleep, and this bedroom is a great sleeping area because it's easy access. Easy. When you want to make the bed, you can make the bed and you're not questioning. It's terrific. But importantly, you've got the bed, you've got storage, you've got cabinets. This storage up here is just wonderful. And then you've got the pod areas. Now the pod areas on both sides. What's the pod? It's somewhere to put your book, your magazine, or your devices. And there's charging points in there as well. You've got 240 and you've got USB on both sides. So with all of that and having such a wonderful bedroom, you're going to have a great trip and a great sleep. So how do you get your Nova? Remember, they're manufacturer of the year. They've won it 3 times. You go to Paravans at Windsor. Go to paravans.com.au. That's paravans.com.au, or give them a call on 4577 5577 4577 5577. Put no 2 up front and they will look after you and you'll be in your Nova in no time.